Okay, so this is a video I made earlier today, and I needed to transfer it, so I went long here, Busey, 67.86, and you can see here that we had a large gap down due to earnings, and then it sold down, and it came to this level here, and it pierced through it, and then has come back above it. So I do like that. Fact that it came back above the level, and I'm going to be looking for a trade to get up to 69, that whole number up there. So I'm looking for about a point out of the trade. I got 200 shares, and I can see what happens here. So go ahead and wait it out. So it's at 68, 58 offer, or bid, sorry, and we're going up here. Hopefully we get up to 69, and I will be exiting near there, depending on how it acts when it gets up to that 69 level. So the market on the right side of my screen is not doing much, just pretty much going sideways. But the market, you can see here, Busey was down almost 8% at one time, and that's a huge move down for any stock, I think. But earnings can do that. But either way, you can see, like I said, this green line that's on the chart there is a level I felt comfortable with, and once it got below and back above, I like that, as well as you can see the volume is picking up on the upside, so it's not extremely low. It's not nearly as much as the selling pressure was, but either way, it was enough for me to get involved, and I like the momentum that it has here going up. So looking for around 25 more cents here and be exiting the trade for a nice winner. So I've been away anyway. You can say I haven't probably made a video in probably almost 2 months. I was having a rough patch, and then also my Camtasia, what I use, I had a free trial and it expired, and so I just tried to use this other program, and it was kind of malfunctioning, and so I just now got another free trial of the Camtasia, so I'm able to make videos again. But I was going through a little bit of a rough patch. So I actually, if you haven't seen on Trading Apples, I did some live coaching with Shoot at his house, and he really straightened me out. And since getting coached by him in person, I'm going on 6 green days in a row, and I just feel like I have a lot more confidence in the trade ideas that I'm doing or using due to some of the stuff that he taught me. So it's been really, really helpful. So hopefully I have some lots of good trades to put on some videos in the future here. Maybe I'll make enough money to afford to actually buy Camtasia, and it won't have to expire in 30 days, which it normally does. So this thing's still holding up here, 68, 63. So I'm still playing small size. I got 200 shares. Not looking to get crazy yet, but just trying to stay in my comfort zone, my risk tolerance, which is going to be within the realm of 200 shares. Even I've been trading 100 shares too of certain stocks, but now I'm trading 200 of a good idea. This to me seemed like a really nice idea. Lots of Seemed to me like it was a very cheap price for the stock, considering yesterday it closed at 70, near 74, and got all the way down to 60, 67.50 today. So we are getting up here to 69. Oh, sorry about that. Sorry if it's boring, but I thought I'd just leave the video running. You can actually see, instead of me pausing it, how the price action is moving, instead of me just coming back and showing you that I sold or whatnot. So you can see it did get up here, and then it came back down 30 cents, and now it's back up. And so that has to do with having some confidence in the idea and not just getting shaken out, and dips back 30 cents. Because often, it comes right back up to where you want and even higher, hopefully. So we're still looking at this 69 target. All right, so it's 69 offer. Going to see if we can get above it, and if it comes through with some momentum, we might go past it and not hold on until that momentum wanes. But we'll see how it acts. If it goes above it and then comes back to touch it, I'll probably just go ahead and get out. Trying to keep a lot of focus on these whole numbers anyway. So it goes back to above it now. If it gets back below, I am going to exit the position. Alright, so it did just get up to 69.20, and it's back down here. I think I'm going to go and get out. Alright, I just got covered there. That was Busey Long, 200 shares, out 69.02 for $186 profit. Nice trade there. And I think I'm just going to call it a day. But if we can see on the daily chart also, it has came down to touch this red line, which is almost, anyway, the 50-day moving average. So I do keep those on my daily charts, 50, the 200, and the 20, because they often are looked at by bigger traders. So you can see there it came close to it and bounced decently. Either way, pretty good trade for today, and hopefully get some more videos coming at you soon. See you next week.